Hello traders, I am still getting comments where people are asking me when to enter into a position. I have shared many good strategies already, but I understand that some people might just be looking for a simple strategy that they can follow to make some easy profit with. So in this video, I'll be going over a Heiken Ashi scalping strategy that will get you started with making great trades. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our channel, and let's get started. The strategy I'll be showing you will be using Heiken Ashi candles. Heiken Ashi candles are candles that aim to reduce some of the market noise, creating a chart that highlights trend direction better than typical candlestick charts. If you are wondering how it is possible that a candlestick closes here and yet the next candlestick opens here, it's because a special formula is used to calculate the candlesticks. The open is half of the previous bar open price plus the previous bar close price, and the close of the candlestick is a quarter of the open, close, high, and low of the current bar. I hope this clears up your confusion. Now let's configure the charts to prepare for when to enter into a trade. First, head over to TradingView and select what asset you want to be trading on. The strategy works on Forex, crypto, and pretty much any other asset that respects trends, support, and/or resistance. Now that you have chosen the asset you will be using to trade, go to the candlestick selector and change the candlesticks to the Heiken Ashi candlesticks. Now we will need to be changing the time frame. Since this is a 15-minute scalping strategy, change the time frame to the 15-minute time frame. That was all that you needed to do to configure the chart. Now let's add some indicators to the chart. Head over to the Indicator tab and search for the Exponential Moving Average indicator. Select the one made by TradingView. Now that you have done that, close the Indicator tab and navigate to the EMA settings. Click on the Style tab and change the color of the EMA. After you have done that, also change the thickness of the EMA. Lastly, head over to the Input tab and change the EMA length to 50. That was all that we needed to do for the configuring of the indicators. Let's now take a look at when to enter into a position. But before that, please leave a like on the video and subscribe to our channel so that we can keep making these free videos. Thank you for understanding. Now let's get back to when to enter into a position. We will be utilizing a trend continuation strategy. This means that we will be following the trend. So let's look at the conditions needed for a buy signal. First, we will need to see the 50 EMA acting as support, so the candlesticks should bounce off the 50 EMA. Next, we will need to see a candlestick that doesn't have a lower wick. As you can see, all of the conditions have been met, so we will enter into a position. For the stop loss and take profit, switched to regular Japanese candlesticks. Go to the candlestick selector and select the regular candlesticks. Put your stop loss at the support point for the 50 EMA. For your take profit, look at the past and find a previous swing high. There we will be placing our take profit. As you can see, the trade has turned out profitable. The strategy works because we are not using any static take profit or stop loss. Instead, we're using the past to determine where the best take profit and stop loss placement is. Now, let's look at the conditions needed for a sell signal. First, we will need to see the 50 EMA acting as resistance, and candlesticks should reject the 50 EMA. Next, we will need to see a candlestick that doesn't have a higher wick. As you can see, all of the conditions have been met, so we will enter into a position. For the stop loss and take profit, switched to regular Japanese candlesticks. Go to the candlestick selector and select the regular candlesticks. Put your stop loss at the resistance point for the 50 EMA. For your take profit, look at the past and find a previous swing low. There we will be placing our take profit. As you can see, the trade has turned out profitable. I hope we could help you out with this strategy. If we did, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave a comment.